Assalamu alaikum, grade 4 students. I am sure that you are enjoying your online classes. Am I right? And you are learning a lot from these videos. Okay, so as you know that it's our science class, and I know that you like this subject very much. And grade 4 student, today we have to start our new lesson, but before starting the lesson I would like to ask you some question. Okay class, tell me, do you know about a game in which a person throw a ball in the basket? What is the name of the game? Yes, बास्केटबॉल। तो आपको क्या लगता है कि वो जो कोई भी इंसान है वो उस बास्केट में दूर से बॉल को फेंकना चाहेगा तो वो क्या अप्लाई करेगा? क्या उसको किस चीज़ की उसको ज़रूरत होगी? फोर्स एंड पावर। यस, ओके। एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू ओपन अ बुक और इफ़ यू वांट टू ओपन अ डोर, तो क्या लगता है कि जस्ट आप थिंक करेंगे और वो ओपन हो जाएगा? क्या ऐसा होगा? Yes, no, ऐसा नहीं होगा. You have to apply the force. You have to pull the door to open it. Am I right? So today our lesson is about force and motion, and I'm sure that this is a very interesting chapter. But as you know that always we start a new chapter with new terms, with new terminologies. Yes, one by one I will tell you all the terms. I will explain every term 3 times and you have to repeat with me, and then finally I will explain you all the terminologies with the help of the pictures. So students, can we start our today's task? Okay, and the chapter name is force and motion. Force and motion. Okay, so let's start our today's activity. So students, our today's first terminology is force. 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 Okay, repeat it with me. Force. Force. Our next terminology is magnet. 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 Repeat with me class. Magnet. Magnet. Our next terminology is magnetic field. Magnetic field. Magnetic field. Okay, our next terminology is magnetic poles. Magnetic poles. Magnetic poles. Now repeat it with me. Magnetic poles. Magnetic poles. Our next terminology is gravity. 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 Okay class, repeat it with me. Gravity. Gravity. Okay, now one by one I will explain you all the terminologies. Okay, so our first term is force. So students, I'm going to tell you what is force. Strength or energy as an attribute of physical action or movement. So if you want to move any non-living thing और किसी भी लिविंग थिंग को मूव करने के लिए जिस चीज़ की ज़रूरत होती है उसको क्या कहते हैं? उसको फोर्स कहते हैं. ठीक है? सो स्ट्रेंथ और एनर्जी एज एन एट्रीब्यूट ऑफ फिजिकल एक्शन और मूवमेंट इज कॉल्ड force. Okay, so our next terminology is magnet. Okay, what is magnet? An object that can attract iron and steel objects and also push them away. एक ऐसा ऑब्जेक्ट जो लोहे को और स्टील को अपनी तरफ क्या करता है? अट्रैक्ट करता है और उसको पुश भी करता है. तो ऐसी चीज़ को क्या कहते हैं? मैग्नेट कहते हैं. एन ऑब्जेक्ट दैट कैन अट्रैक्ट आयरन एंड स्टील ऑब्जेक्ट्स एंड ऑल्सो पुश देम अवे इज कॉल्ड magnet. Okay, our third terminology is magnetic field. What is magnetic field? An area around a magnet or something magnetic in which it has a force to attract objects to itself. तो मैग्नेट के इर्द गिर्द का जो एरिया होता है, सराउंडेड एरिया, दैट इज कॉल्ड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, जिसके अंदर ये ताकत होती है कि वो किसी भी चीज़ को अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करे. Our next terminology is magnetic poles. Each of the 2 points of a magnet. सो मैग्नेट के जो दोनों तरफ के पॉइंट्स होते हैं, एक नॉर्थ होता है एक साउथ होता है, उसको क्या कहते हैं? मैग्नेटिक poles. Each of the 2 points of a magnetic is called magnetic poles. And our today's last terminology is gravity. Okay, can I tell you what is gravity? Okay, so the force that attracts object towards one another, especially the force that makes things fall to the ground, is called gravity. एक ऐसी ताकत जो हर चीज़ को डाउनवर्ड्स जो है वो पुल, जैसे ख़ास तौर पे ज़मीन की तरफ, तो ज़मीन की जो ताकत है इसको क्या बोलते हैं? इसको ग्रेविटी बोलते हैं. The force that attracts object towards one another, especially the force that makes things falls to the ground, is called gravity. So this is your today's task. Now I'm going to tell you about your home assignment. What you have to do, yes, you have to write all the terminologies and you have to write all the explanation of the new terms in your copies, and you have to learn the spelling of all the terms, and then you have to send that page to your teachers via WhatsApp, or you have to take the picture and you have to send the picture of your notebook. Okay students, inshallah tomorrow we will do another interesting activity from the chapter Force and Motion. Till then, Allah Hafiz.